At exactly 2:17 a.m., a train arrived at an abandoned platform. No passengers, no driver. But the security camera recorded something that was never explained. This case was buried deep inside transportation records, officially labeled as a technical malfunction. But one investigator saved a copy of the footage, and after watching it, he resigned the next morning. Platform 7 had been closed since 2009. No scheduled trains, no maintenance crews, and no power after midnight.
Yet at 2:17 a.m., motion sensors activated, the cameras turned on automatically. A single train entered the station slowly. The doors opened and remained open for exactly 41 seconds.
No one exited, no one entered, but the timestamp on the footage suddenly skipped forward 3 minutes. When the feed stabilized, investigators noticed a detail that hadn't been there before. Handprints on the inside of the train doors, pressed outward, as if someone inside had been trying to escape. The train left without explanation, power shut down again, and Platform 7 returned to silence. When investigators reviewed archived footage, they found something worse. The same train, the same platform, the same time. Once every year. Each year, one new handprint appeared on the doors. In part 2, we examine the passenger list that was never released, because none of the names belong to living